All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Super stoked today, and I have a headache because I'm hungry. But we're going to find the area of a trapezoid whose diagonals are both 30 and whose height is 18. Okay, hopefully you understand that since the diagonals are congruent, that we know that this is an isosceles trapezoid. So I think what I need to do is just focus on the area of this triangle. But I'm not going to double it, right? I'm just going to start with that. We know that that's 18. So we know that that's 18. Okay? Alright, so let's just for kicks, I can find that, so let's find it. Okay? And just so I have that lined up on here, oh nice. That's going to be that, isn't it? Okay, cool. So, x squared plus 18 squared equals 30 squared. The x stops right here. Oh, yeah, you're right. This is not x. Okay, we'll come back to that. Very good. Very good. All right, so what do we get for that? X squared plus 18 squared equals 30 squared. 900 minus 256 square root. Can somebody just give me what x is? 24? Is that a 3, 4, 5? Yes, it is. How did I miss that? Spring break. All right, so that's 24. So I know that from here to here is 24. So I also know that from, well, I shouldn't do that. From here to there is also 24. All right, so check out this little trick brought to you by Kyra Fails. So we know that like this is 24 and that is also 24, okay? So if I called this y, this would also be y because it's an isosceles triangle. And then this here, from here to here, would be 24 minus y. Okay? Area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the sum of the bases times the height. Here's where it becomes a fun little trick. It's 1/2. All right, base 1 is 24 plus y. It's not 24 plus 2y. Remember that from here to there is 24. So what's base 1 again? Okay? But what's base 2? Oh, 18. Sorry, 18. So it's 1/2 times 48 times 18, which is 24 times 18, which is, one more time. Now, look, there's no reason that you have to do it that way, other than the fact that I wanted to get the answer exactly right. Here's how I would have actually done it. Somebody find that angle for me. Or somebody tell me how I will find the angle. Good. Sine of x is 18 over 30. And I believe it should be like the 39 point something? 36.8. Give it to me way more accurately than that, Ryan. I think if I leave it like that, I'm still going to get this exactly correct. Okay? So now that we know x, let me find, I'm going to call this capital B because that's what it is. Let me find capital B using SOHCAHTOA. Oh, is that a right triangle? No, it's not. So I can't. I got to find it this way. All right, so since this is x, let me find y. I think I just wasted your time. I was thinking that was a right angle, but it's not. We can still do this. Let's see. This was 36. So this is 50 point. Can you subtract that from 90 for me? Yeah, but I keep coming back. This is not necessarily a right angle, is it? I take it back. You could not do it using trig. You could use it. You could use law of sines, but you guys don't know law of sines yet. That's what we're doing next. So I think you would have to do it this way. I kept thinking that this was a right angle, but I can't assume that at all. I definitely cannot assume that. Okay? Oh, boom.